Makapangit ako dyan.
Message mo!
Lalaki yung anak mo.
Alam ko na message ko.
Ano?
Ipat na kayo ng kwarto para din ako sa kwarto. Kasi malaki kwarto.
Wow.
Bakit na paras tayo nakasalamin?
Walk it out. Mahigpit.
Out mo na sila mga
Ah. Dito. Lalo na dun sa peso ko kanina. Si Ate din.
Ladies and gentlemen, sa mga ganitong klase ng activity, hindi po sila pwedeng awatin o pigilin hanggat hindi po sumisenyas ang ating mga photo and video team na satisfied na po sila sa ating mga clips na nag-gather. At dahil nabanggit ko na rin linggo, ayan, gusto namin pasalamatan our official partner for our documentation, Ralph Nicolas Photography. Maraming salamat. Sila po ang naatasan na mag-preserve ng moments and memories for the lives of our newlyweds, Mr. and Mrs. Cruz.
Your mind, I will listen, and I will be here when the laughter turns to
Aside from Ralph Nicolas Photography, gusto rin po natin i-grab the opportunity na mapasalamatan ang Eugenio's Garden Resort and Pavilion, our venue for the day, for the place, the food, our waiters and servers in providing us with our professional sound lighting system. Maraming salamat, Eugenio's Garden Resort and Pavilion. We also would love to acknowledge and thank Pastor Rene Constantino na kasama po natin as our officiating minister. Kasama pa rin po natin si Pastor Harry Amar. Ayun yung nakasama po natin during our prayer for the ceremony and our prayer for our meals. Ladies and gentlemen, we also would love to acknowledge and thank Mary Ann Crisostomo, our wedding singer. Thank you so much for rendering your music as part of our celebration.